Here is how to restrict future orders for click and collect. This setting allows you to control how many days in advance a customer can place an order. Let's start by navigating to locations. Next, click Edit on the location you want to configure. Scroll down to the Visible Days in Calendar setting. This dictates how many upcoming days are shown to shoppers. By default, it is set to 14 days, as you can see on the live storefront. The current 14-day window begins from the current date. Let's update this setting to 20 days instead. Once updated, click Save, and let's check the Live Cart page widget to see the change. When a customer clicks on Click and Collect, select the location and expand Calendar. It will now allow them to choose 20 days time frame.